how to make really awesome, really nice grip kind of panels, if you will, for any Leatherman out there, whether it's a surge like this or a charge like this. Now, this was my first try. It looks like crap, but this is my second try and it looks just a little bit better. Still a little off, but overall pretty good. And I'm gonna show you guys how you can make something very similar to this on this side. Okay, let's do that. So starting off, you will need some kind of duct tape. This is military grade duct tape, and you'll need some kind of scissors. The longer the better, because with scissors and duct tape, the longer the scissors the better, because you're gonna get cleaner cuts. We got the duct tape here, and the size, for those wondering, you know, how much you're gonna want, this is something that you're gonna have to measure before cutting, and it's gonna be contingent on each and every multi-tool. As you guys can see, these two multi-tools are drastically different in size. This one's about a ½ inch bigger. This is gonna be dependent on, one, how long you want your kind of scale add-ons to be, and how long your multi-tool is. Like I said, a full-size multi-tool is going to take more duct tape than a smaller multi-tool. So essentially what you want to do at this point is, depending on the type of tool you're using, in this case I'm going to do it for the saw on the surge. I like to take both the scale and the tool out, so this way I can set this down. And keep in mind too, when you set this down, you want just a little bit of overhang, because the key to keeping this on the tool itself is the fact that it can kind of roll over. So what I like to do is kind of look over here. You'll see the ruler. Make sure that this doesn't fully cover up your ruler, because you don't want to lose the functionality of your ruler. You can see here, you can still see your marks. It's covering this a little bit, but I'm actually going to chop that off, so that won't be an issue. So you just want it enough so that it's just rolling over here, and so that it gets some traction. Now, the challenge with the saw implement is, as you guys can see back here, there's going to be a little notch to cut. So essentially what I do is I basically trace the outline of the handle, and you guys can see with duct tape, it actually goes pretty good. You guys can really see the outline of this handle. And the next thing I'm going to do, quite logically, is cut the duct tape. So I'm going to cut off any of the excess, but keep in mind too, that just remember that when you're cutting off the excess, you want to leave just a little bit. Cut it up, and do keep in mind, if you leave your ends, the very ends you cut a little bit janky, that's okay, because the key to this is going in here and folding all that back. And this is another reason why I like to use long scissors for this, because you're gonna have to basically take the end of your scissor, the non-edge part of it, and just basically go along that crease and crease it all in. That's how you make it look nice and presentable like that. Now, the next thing you'll want to do is close your tool and check, and I can still come in here, as you guys can see, and get the nail nick on the saw, and I can still get this nail nick on the saw, so we still have that completely functional. So now it's time to do the next side, and like I said, the same thing applies. However, with these knives, with Leatherman, they create a little spot here so that if you open your tool up first, you can't open the knife. That's a safety feature, so you have to open up the knife first and then open up the actual handle. But same principle applies. We're going to take the same piece of tape that we cut off earlier. Now, I like to use this little end piece right here, or this kind of break in material, as my end piece, just to give me something even and flat to go off of. And then we're just going to lay the piece of tape down and do the same exact thing. There we go. So that is a very simple, very easy and effective way to make a really nice kind of handle scales for any of your Leathermans. So anyways, guys, that is all for now. God bless, and I'm out.